Hey, are you looking for a marketing system where you can actually make more high-ticket affiliate marketing sales with the opportunity Legendary Marketer? Well, you came to the right place. And if you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I've been marketing online for about 7 years now. And it took me 6 years to actually figure this whole process out, right? So that's when I became a top producer. And it changed my world when I was able to actually learn marketing and learn how you can actually put a marketing system with any opportunity that you're a part of. You want to actually build a system around that system so you can stand out from other people in the opportunity, such as Legendary Marketer, and you want to be able to get quality traffic sources and quality leads to whatever offer you're promoting, including the training right here. So you may be asking, like, do I need to actually buy those blueprints and spend $2,500, or do I need to pick a niche to where I can sell something, right? And I always suggest to everybody who is asking, what niche should I go into? If you use tools and training and you use a marketing system to actually promote any offer that you're a part of, you never have to worry about a niche, because it doesn't matter what people promote. If your tools and training offer a residual income, then you're going to earn residual income, and it doesn't matter what somebody promotes, right? Because your marketing system can be used for anybody in any kind of niche. If they're a network marketer, affiliate marketer, online marketer, e-commerce, if they have their own storefront business, if they're a nonprofit, if they're in a gym, if they're a public speaker, like we have people that I'm working with that are public speakers, right? So I have all those different kinds of people that I work with, and I earn a residual income, right? And people wonder how to actually get traffic. So, what I would suggest to you is to create your own offers, and to use this $25 per month funnel builder that I use to design my entire, traffic store. And when you get traffic from me, I make sure you understand how to actually get traffic, where it comes from, how to actually do it, how to track your results, and know your stats. Because knowing your stats is very important. And anybody who gets traffic from me is getting from a variety of different sources, including Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus, solo ads, and CPA marketing. So you get a mix of different traffic. And my goal is to actually help you get results. So if you want to order traffic from me, then you come over here to theprofitbuilderstraffic.com, and you can place an order for traffic at profitbuilderstraffic.com. And also there's a link in the description as well. But back to what I was saying. So I built a marketing system off of this $25 per month funnel builder, which allows me to actually make commissions. Right? So I make commissions from this builder. So I highly suggest you use this instead of using something like, ClickFunnels or BuilderAll or Lead Pages. This can do just as much, if not more. And the cool thing about it is I can manage people's funnels who are on my team. So basically, I can manage my entire team's funnels. So anybody that signs up with you using this builder, you can actually manage your funnels without having any login credentials. And it's very, very easy. It's drag and drop. You earn a $20 commission from the $25, right? And that's what I always suggest doing. So, if you're promoting Legendary Marketer and you're wondering what marketing system to use, how to actually get leads to your autoresponder, and what to actually use as a page builder, I would definitely use this. This is the best page builder that you could possibly use that's out right now, and it's $25 a month. You get a $20 per month commission. And if you want to get traffic from me, I'm going to have links in the description for traffic, and I'm going to help you to actually get results and help you to understand how to market yourself every single day. We have daily hands-on coaching live by Zoom. So when you get the funnel builder tool, there's going to be a box where you pay the $25 per month. You check the box, and it'll give you 2 weeks free of coaching. It's basically 2 weeks free, so it'll be $125. It'll give you a $100 commission. So basically, with the Funnel Builder tool and the daily hands-on coaching, it's $150 per month, and from that $150 per month, you're making a $120 per month commission. So basically, if you offer tools and training to people, it doesn't matter what kind of opportunity that they're promoting, you could still get a commission. And that's what I highly suggest you do if you want to get affiliate marketing commissions, and you want to generate leads for affiliate marketing, and you want to be able to get traffic for your affiliate marketing offers. So if you like this video, make sure you click on the link in the description to take you to the traffic store. Also, click on the link in the description that will take you to a capture page, which will give you this builder. It's going to be the first link below this video. Then there's a link for the traffic store, and I also have a link for the free Facebook group that I have. You could get into my Facebook group. It'll give you tips, tricks, and training on what to do in your marketing every single day. And make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Alright, I'll talk to you soon, and bye for now.